Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare oregano oil versus capsules. We'll explore the key differences between these two popular forms of oregano supplementation. Understanding these distinctions can help you choose the best option for your needs. We'll cover aspects like potency, ease of use, and how each form interacts with your body. Stay tuned to make an informed decision about your oregano supplement. Oregano oil in its liquid form is known for its powerful, direct impact. Its high concentration means you often need only a few drops, which can be adjusted precisely to your preference. Many users appreciate its versatility, as it can be taken orally, often diluted, or applied topically. However, its intense flavor can be a challenge for some, requiring careful mixing with food or drink. For those who find the taste of liquid oregano oil too strong, capsules are an excellent alternative. They provide a convenient, pre-measured dose, ensuring consistency without any strong flavor or aroma. This makes them incredibly easy to take, especially when you're on the go or prefer a more discreet option. Capsules are also often formulated for delayed release, which can help with absorption. Ultimately, the choice between oregano oil and capsules depends on your personal preferences and lifestyle. If you prioritize precise dosage control and don't mind the strong taste, the liquid oil might be for you. If convenience, a lack of taste, and consistent dosing are more important, then capsules are likely a better fit. Both forms offer the powerful benefits of oregano. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.